everybody. Now, you might be sick of hearing about it, but COVID-19 changed how businesses operate online forever.
Especially e-commerce businesses. We're talking 146% year-over-year growth in April for online orders, according to Forbes.
So this week, we've decided to share some e-commerce tips and tricks, things you can do to get your e-commerce business started on the right foot.
Would your business benefit from online sales? Before you go through the trouble of building or converting your business, it's worth researching your sales cycle and determining whether your customers are willing to purchase online.
Now, physical stores with inventory are already set up for an e-commerce website, but there are a lot of ways to sell subscription services or bundle packages together to sell your products online if you aren't a traditional retail store.
Right. So in thinking about your business plan and your target audience, will online sales move the needle?
Once you've made your decision to go online, it is important to find the right content management system and e-commerce platform for you. Now, this may require a website upgrade. Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce all work seamlessly with WordPress, which we love, and it makes it easier to build your platform and get your products online.
Right. And then all you have to do is layer in the correct payment options, security features, and shipping selections to round out your e-commerce site, and it'll make you look and operate like a pro.
Now, of course, building a website on your own can be tricky, and integrating it with your chosen features can be frustrating. So we highly recommend working with professionals like us to get all the pieces in order.
Oh, and one SEO tip for your e-commerce website from us to you, make sure each of your product images has alt text. This is text that tells both the search engines and users who use technology like screen readers what's on the page they're viewing.
Pandemic or not, most businesses can benefit from e-commerce.
Plus, who doesn't love online shopping?
I know I do. Now, that's all the time we have for this week, because I may have some shopping to do. So make sure you leave a comment to let us know what you think and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next Monday Marketing Minute.
See ya.
Bye.